What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Interesting turn of events with this bounce for Bitcoin. So a couple options we'll look at here. We're sitting at 42.9K. We're up almost 5% on the day. See, market cap 840 billion. Yesterday it was 800 billion. Amazing. 400 billion higher market cap with a 4% bounce. 24-hour volume 23.91 billion. So let's hop into the charts. So we bounced up, so this could be a downside fake out from this wedge and now pushing to the upside. So one of the options is we could see an overshooting wave B. So if we come back and retest that trend line, we bounce, then it can be an overshooting wave B. And basically what you're looking at, a wave B is a three-wave move in an ABC. There's your A, pull back in a wave B. Five-wave move up in a C, potentially to 46 to 47K before seeing a rejection. The other option is that this was an overshooting wave 3 right here, overshooting wave 3. That's a wave 4 pullback, and you're now pushing up in the wave 5. So to get the target for that wave 5, you would take a trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 2, which is right here at 25K, to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4, and BTC could push all the way up to the 61.8, which is at almost 53K. So that's a really bullish option, is an overshooting wave 3 and pushing up to about 53K in a wave 5. So we'll have to see how that plays out. For right now, we'll just look at the overshooting wave B. But if we end up creating a 5-wave move and then we hold the pullback and we bounce, that's when we could push all the way up to 53K. All right, gang. And then the bear scenario, we fail to break that high, we roll over. This is all corrective, maybe WXY, and come down in between 35 to 40K. But the fact that we bear trapped, we faked out to the downside, usually leads to the pattern pushing to the target the other way. And that would take you up to, from that wedge, 46K, which would make sense for the overshooting wave B. Taking a look at the daily chart, if we end up putting in that higher high, you can see we can push up to that 46K, and you can see the resistance. See that resistance right there, resistance here, a lot of support and resistance in that area, support, a lot of support here. So it would make sense if we are going to create that higher high to potentially get rejected in between 46 to 47K. Continue to print that bearish divergence on the daily. These can take time to play out, as well as on the money flow. And then basically grab that liquidity, trap the bulls, and then pull back before seeing continuation to the upside. The pullback will come. It always does. DXY, if DXY ends up putting in a lower low, we do have quite a bit of support around 100. Then that could give the opportunity for Bitcoin to put in that higher high if it comes back down to retest that support before bouncing. But of course, if DXY just breaks out from here, then we can start to see that pullback. But it would make sense that the DXY comes down, because support and resistance like a magnet for the price, and then BTC would put in that higher high in that overshooting wave B. All right, gang. So if we come back, we retest this trend line, or we see a straight breakout in a 5-wave move, then it's an ABC potentially, and over. Let me grab my brush here. In an overshooting wave B, A, B, C. But if we hold a pullback, we bounce and we break that high, that means you're going to push all the way up to about 53K. That's what I'm looking at. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. Email me to grab your bonus, as well as I'll give you access to my VIP rooms. The minimum deposit's at 100. So if you deposit 100, you get $20 in your futures account. If you deposit 1,000, you get $200. And email me and I'll give you access to my VIP rooms for my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, Mahara all plays, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place with a sign up to BITUNIX. Make that first deposit, get that 20% bonus. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon, all links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.